Hello and welcome to Nigerian Food Channel. It's your boy Franklin. Welcome to another fantastic episode. Today I'll be making Ofada rice that will be served with Ofada stew, my own version, made with lovely mackerel fish that you can see fresh in the tray in front of me here. Right, very quickly on the worktop here, I've got my big red pepper, 3 scotch bonnets, 2 red onions, chopped tomatoes, my salt, I've got my crushed chili, mixed herbs, 2 Maggi cubes. Here is my Ofada rice. So I am going to run some water now into the rice. Make sure you get it properly cleaned. Can you see? Make sure you get it properly cleaned to get rid of the dirts in it before you put it on fire to start cooking. It's very important that you sieve out the dirts, okay? Right, got my water on fire boiling, so I'm gonna add my Ofada rice. Add some salt. And I'll leave it to cook for about, we'll see how it goes, about 20 to 25 minutes. Here you go, guys. Ofada rice, very easy to cook, served with mackerel fish stew, my own signature Ofada stew, served with a boiled egg on the side and slices of fried plantain. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to subscribe, don't forget to like my video, don't forget to share my video. Check me out on Facebook, Nigerian Food Channel, and I'll see you in the next video. Thank you for watching.